Hi there, I'm Taylor and I am here today to show you a simple, easy, fun deer Halloween makeup look. I'm super excited, so let's get started. So first, prime your face as you normally would, and then apply the CC cream that matches your skin tone, as I am doing here with the Mary Kay liquid foundation brush. Define your brows by using the Mary Kay Precision Brow Liner like so. You then take your Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer in 3 to 4 shades darker than your regular shade and contour your jaw and forehead with the Mary Kay Cream Color brush. Brush along the edges as so. To highlight cheeks, T-zone, and chin, use a foundation in 2 to 3 shades lighter than your regular shade. To apply, use the Mary Kay Liquid Foundation brush on top of cheekbones, across the top of the brow, down the bridge of the nose, and around the front of your chin. So if you blended your foundation too high like I did, no biggie, you can come back, use a darker concealer, and spot it on just in the forehead where you felt like it went too high. Add depth to the eyes by blending Burnished Bronze Mary Kay Chromafusion Eyeshadow all over the eyelids and into the crease. I'm using the Mary Kay All Over Eyeshadow brush to apply. Next, highlight the inner corners of the eyes using Crystalline Chromafusion Eyeshadow and the Mary Kay Eye Crease brush. Apply Jet Black Gel Eyeliner to line the eyes using the expandable brush applicator. Continue the line past the eyeline for a doe-eye effect. Using the Mary Kay Eye Smudger brush, apply the Hot Fudge Chromafusion Eyeshadow along the lower lash line. Apply the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara to both the upper and lower lashes. And now for the fun! Use a concealer 3 to 4 shades lighter to create dots along the shaded areas. Follow the natural curve of the forehead and temples, and stagger the dots for a rounded effect. Intensify the dots by patting Crystalline Chromafusion Eyeshadow on top of the lighter concealer. Then, swipe a coat of Mary Kay Unlimited Lip Gloss and Pink Ballerina all over your lips. And finish off the makeup look by adding the heart nose detail. To do this, draw the heart shape starting at the tip of the nose using Mary Kay Eyeliner and MK Deep Brown. Extend the point of the heart by continuing the line, starting from underneath the nose to the top of the Cupid's bow. And there you have it! Continue adding as many dots as you like to your neck, face, and hands. And voila! You are now an adorable deer. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to share and tag us on social, and happy Halloween!